Hi, it's Lili. I've just started shooting my next stop motion animation, so I thought I'm going to share with you a little peek about what's to come. This animation is going to be called Happier Alone, and I think it's going to resonate with people who are really introverted, who like nothing else than just being in their own little bubble, away from the crowd, the noise, the drama and everything else. So I've got a lovely set that I started to work on in October, and I've been almost full-time since then, so it's just so rewarding to finally see it coming to life. I've got my little character here. He's happy living in his lovely little cottage surrounded with nature. I think it fits him perfectly. My plan is to get this animation finalized and uploaded by the end of January. And once the animation is out, I'm gonna have a series of tutorials. So the first is gonna be how I made the little cottage by hand from scratch, as with everything else. The following week is gonna be how I've done the outdoor scenery, and then how I made my puppets, including some animal puppets. So that's something quite new that I've experimented with. And finally, some behind the scenes. So keep an eye on my channel. Hopefully very soon I'm gonna have a lovely animation to share with you. And until then, take good care of yourself.